So I finally got all the little mosaic pieces glued on, inked up. I went ahead and inked all the edges with the black jet black stays on ink that I showed you earlier. And then I had this, okay, so this is a botanical leaf that I cut apart, and I really hope that you can see that that's what it is. And this is off of my video, Pressed Leaves. I will put the link to this video in the description box below. So now this is on a jelly print that I did, a grunge jelly print. And I did not film this. I made these a long time ago. So I will do that upcoming, make a nice grunge jelly print video. And then I had this idea. I was almost done with this piece and I walked away from it and I thought, wouldn't it be cool to put some little barbed wire in between some of the mosaic tiles? So there, I just did that one little section and I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to do a few with you and then this piece will be complete. Might as well keep you close. I came up with that little idea, and that's what I love about art. You'll be working on something and you just get these little inspirations that come from who knows where, but I love it so much. And so the barbed wire, I think, really turned out as a very cool element to this piece. And then I went ahead and edged it, of course, with ink, and I used the StazOn Jet Black, and then I even took a Sharpie. I wanted it a little darker, so I took a thick Sharpie and went along the edges with this as well. And now I just want to add a little bit of spatter. I just filmed page 6. This is page 7 here, and I have leftover paint from page 6 over here. This is my vintage white folk art paint. And I want to throw some of this on here. I really like this color. I think it adds to it. I thought about doing black on this page, but I think I'm just going to go with the vintage white. And I don't want a lot of spatter on the leaf. It's already kind of tough to see. Now, if you don't journal, I'm making these as junk journal pages, but if you like these as wall art, you can purchase this kit and print them up and frame them and hang them up in your home. I do make them 8.5 by 11 inches, and I put them at 300 DPI, so the quality is high. So you could probably pull off printing these a little bit bigger if you wish to. I have not tried that yet, but thank you so much for joining me for this page. I think it came out pretty cool. It's, you know, I've got really frilly and then really masculine pieces in this kit, so you're definitely getting both sides of the spectrum with this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and touch on that bell to get all the notifications for upcoming videos. Have a great day. Thanks.